In this video, I will show you how to enable and use Smart Erase feature of Microsoft Edge to remove objects from photos using AI. Before we begin, make sure you hit subscribe and tap the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Microsoft has been adding AI tools in the built-in apps of Windows. First, they added Background Remover and DALL-E in Paint, Background Replacer, and Blurring Tool in Photos app, and now in Smart Image Editor in Edge. The Edge Image Editor can intelligently erase objects in photos. Let's see how to use it. This feature works in Edge Canary for now, so you need to download and install it from the link in the description. Now, search Edge Canary in Start and then right-click to open its location. Explorer will open now and you will see the Edge Canary's shortcut file. Right-click on it and then open the Properties. Now, in the Properties window, you just click in the target field. In front of edge.exe, you just append this text. You can copy it from the description of the video. Apply and save the changes now. Now, launch Edge and then search for some images. To open an image in the AI editor, you just right-click on it and then select the Open Image in New tab option. The image will now open in Edge Image Editor. From the top side, you can click on the Edit button and editing tools will appear. Now, click on AI Editing and then the Smart Eraser feature will appear. Use the Brush tool to select the objects that you want to remove from the photos. You can also adjust the brush size if you want to. After selecting the objects, just click on the Erase button and it will remove the objects for you without compromising the original image. You can also further remove objects by selecting objects. For example, here I am removing the extra shadow. This way, you can now remove objects from photos using AI right inside Microsoft Edge. If you found this video helpful, then check out more tech videos on our channel. Thanks for watching.